business project has been running for a couple of years now, and we send business studies and enterprise students from UWE Bristol out to a township secondary school in South Africa, and they spend 2 weeks running a young enterprise project.
Yesterday was our first session, really exciting. The learners absolutely loved it. So we ran our first session on ideation. Today we did it on pitching, and then over the next few days we're going to be doing marketing, sales, finance, and then we're going to take them to the shops so then they can buy the products ready to sell them for next week.
We are excited to have the two students that are here. Already we have benefited a lot. They are enthusiastic, they are working very hard to try and impart some of the skills and knowledge of business. So we are excited as a school to have these students that are coming to cross-pollinate ideas with us.
My name is Sandy Lambo. I want to be a businessman when I grow up. It's my dream and I have a passion of doing it.
My name is Gwenile Mbata. To be the best thing in the future to be a businesswoman is to be independent.
And what I've learned from Students of UK, they give us information that can help us. They guide us on how to be the people we want to be in future.
If we are training our kids to have business ideas, they are going to be self-sufficient when they leave the schooling system. And these are lifelong skills that are going to assist them even when they are out of school. But the long and short of it, it's really inspiring to our kids.
The winner is, it was super difficult, but it's Supreme Rainbow!
I would 100% recommend this opportunity to other students, coming out here and experiencing a completely different culture, living with a host family, working on a project, working with new people. So I think it's a really valuable experience.